Hello, welcome back to my channel. As you can see here, I am making pockets. I am so glad that you are here, and you can catch the full chatty video in the members only section. As you know, or if you don't know, I do have memberships available, and there will be a lot of videos that will only be available to members. So it's going to be kind of like special type of videos. I say special, but they're going to be videos where I am working in real time, chatting, crafting, that sort of stuff. It's not just going to be junk journals. It's going to be a little bit of everything. Basically, the stuff that I am working on at the time. So it could be junk journaling, it could be knitting, it could be crochet, it could be tatting, basically anything that is, in catching my fancy at the time. Those are the type of videos that will be in the members only section. So yeah, go check that out, and if you can, become a member, and you'll get access to special different perks, which will all be at the end of the video that you can see. Other than that, I hope you enjoy this video and it kind of inspires you to do something similar. I'm just working on one of my junk journals here, as you can see, and I'm making some pockets for it. So I hope you enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.